Hi dear students, welcome to a new session. Today let us have a mock test on chapter 1 and 2. We already completed chapter 1 and 2. Let's have a mock test. Total mark is on 25. Are you ready with your book and pen? Now let's start it. No need to write any question, just write the answers. Please write section A, fill in the blank, only that much. Then write number 1. First question is, all living things need dash to breathe. Second question, the parts of a plant found below the ground is called the dash. The parts of a plant found below the ground is called dash. Third question is, plants breathe through the holes in their dash. Fourth question is, the process by which new plants grow from a seed is called dash. Fifth one is, human beings and animals breathe through their dash. Next one is section B. Write true or false. No need to write any question, just write true or false. First question, stem is a part of the shoot system of a plant. Stem is a part of shoot system. Is it true or false? Second question, living things do not need food to grow. Third question is, very young flowers are called buds. Very small young flowers, no, they are called buds. Fourth one, birds eat fruits and grains. Fifth one, non-living things can reproduce. Moving on to next section, section C, answer in one word. Answer just in one word only. You want to name a non-flowering plant. Name a natural non-living thing. Give an example for natural non-living thing. Give an example for a plant with big leaves. Fourth question is, a man-made non-living thing. Name one example for a man-made non-living thing. Fifth one is, name a fruit with one seed. Next section, section D. Answer these questions. First one, list any two differences between living things and non-living things. We already learned 6 differences. Here only 2 differences between living things and non-living things. Second question, why is leaf called the food factory of a plant? Why leaves are known as the food factory of a plant? Third question is, how do fish breathe? Moving on to next section, section E. Identify the natural and man-made non-living things from the figure. Here, 5 figures are given to you. These are either example of natural non-living thing or man-made non-living thing. You should identify which are natural non-living things and which are man-made non-living things. In the answer paper, just write the heading natural non-living thing. Underline it. Below that, you want to find the answer. If it is aeroplane, just below that write aeroplane. No need to draw the picture and all, just write the name. If it is hills, means just below that write hills. After that, just write the heading man-made non-living thing. Below that, identify those figures and write the names. Did you understand it? Thank you.